Hello! Today I'm gonna make tonkatsu, Japanese dish. I use the pork tenderloin and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, beat, and 1 cup of panko. One, two, three, four step. Okay, I'm gonna dip this into the all-purpose flour. Dip to the egg. Then dip to the panko. It's ready to fry. I'm gonna do a deep fry using the frying pot at the temperature of 350, and I'm gonna fry it about 8 minutes, 4 minutes each side. Leave it for 4 minutes. It's ready. 8 minutes up. I use a paper towel. Okay. I'm gonna slice cabbage. If you don't have the slice machine, so you have to use your hand to slice like this. But I have machine at home, so I'm gonna use the machine. It's faster. This is how it looks. Machine. I gotta drip into the bowl. My tonkatsu is ready to serve. Normally we eat with cabbage, sliced cabbage. I'm gonna put over here a little bit more. Okay, this is the tonkatsu look like. Yes, look good. You're gonna eat with the tonkatsu sauce and rice. Okay, I hope you enjoy it and try to make it. Thank you for watching.